Hello everyone, welcome back to TerraTern. Today I want to tackle an important component of a IELTS reading section that many test takers find both challenging and crucial, the matching feature. The IELTS reading section is designed to assess not just your comprehension skill but also how effectively you can identify a relationship between ideas, locate specific information and match concepts. The matching feature in a particular play a significant role in the evaluation. Let's dive into a different type of a matching task you might encounter in the IELTS reading section. Matching heading to paragraphs or sections. In this task, you are given a list of headings and need to match each one to the appropriate paragraph or section in the passage. It may sound straightforward, but challenge lies in the understanding the main idea of each paragraph and distinguish between similar sounding headings. This task your ability to synthesize the information and pinpoint the core message of each section. Matching information to paragraph. Here, you need to locate a specific details such as date, name, events and match to the correct paragraph. This task demands sharp attention to detail and effective scanning of the text. It evaluates how well you find and recognize precise information within a broader context. Matching feature. In this type, you match a list of features such as characteristics, theories, or opinions to the correct person, place, or concept mentioned in the passage. Often, names or specific terms stand out in the text, making it easier and find relevant section. However, the challenge is accurately associating these features with the right elements. Matching sentence ending. For this task, you are given the beginning of a sentence and must match them with the correct endings based on the passage. These require understanding the sentence structure and logical flow. It's not just about finding a match, but ensuring that the sentence makes both grammatical and conceptual sense. So how can you tackle these tasks effectively? Time management. Matching tasks can be the time consuming. So pace yourself and avoid spending too long on any one question. Remember, every minute counts. Synonyms and paraphrasing. The word in the question may not match exactly with those in the passage. IELTS often tests your ability to recognize synonym phrases and rephrase ideas, so watch out this process of elimination. If a particular heading, feature, or a sentence ending does not seem to fit, eliminate it and narrow down your options. This strategy can save your time and increase your chances of selecting the correct answer. In the end, the matching feature in the IELTS reading section is not just a test of a memory or a quick reading, but your ability to understand, analyze, and interpret information with the careful practice and strategy. You can master these sections and enhance your overall IELTS performance. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TerraTern for more tips. See you in the next video.